Hi everyone, welcome to YouTube channel. Hope you subscribe my channel. If not so, just do it now. So today I like to show you how you can blur your image and video using Filmora video editing software. This is a simple method. Here you can see I already add one image and one video. So first I like to show for image. Here is one image. First you need to add image at the track, Filmora track. Then just you need to add first layer. Do not add second layer. This is the second layer and this is the first layer. So you need to add your image at the first layer. Then just right click and select power tool, and you can also use shortcut Ctrl P. So I like to select power tool. Then here you can find one option, apply tilt shift to the clip. Just select this one. Here you can see one blur option come out. You can blur all the image, or you can blur one section. Here you can see this section is only blur, not full section. You can also blur full section of the image. Here you can see my full image is blur. On the other side, if you want to select particular option, then just go mosaic option, then just select apply mosaic to the clip. Just select this one and select add. Here you can see one blur option come out. Then just select your which area you want to blur, and you can also increase or decrease blur percentage. Just this way you can increase or decrease blur percentage. You can also add more blur. In this way you can blur your image, any particular section or full image. So now I like to show for video. I add a video. This is one video. For video, when you add any blur option, then the blur select all the video clip. For example, I like to add blur this section. So guys, must be you need to add your video at the first layer. Do not add second layer. This is the first layer and this is the second layer. So after add video, just right click and again go to power tool, and at the same way you can add your blur option. So sorry, due to copyright I mute the video. Just you can see which section I blur. So you can blur full section or you can blur particular section. But when you add this way you blur, but your all video will remain same section will be blurred. And at the same way you can add mosaic. Just add and you can blur. So in this way you can add blur section in your video, but when you add, then the full video will remain blurred. So but I have one solution. Just select which starting point your blur, then just cut and select the ending section. This is the starting section and this is the ending section. So just cut. So I blurred particularly this section, So after cutting the section, video section, just again go to power tool. Here you can see I only blur select 2-second video, then just click apply till shift to the clip and you can blur. And on the other way you can add mosaic and you can blur. So click OK. Here you can see when I play, not full video blur, just this section only blur and other section will remain same. This way you can add blur in your video or still image. I hope you find the tutorial helpful, and mostly subscribe this channel for more upcoming video on Filmora. So thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy.